Welcome back to our No Hype series. Today, we're diving into something I think you're gonna love, using generative AI to seriously upgrade your Tableau skills. And listen, the best part is you don't need to be some coding genius to do it. All right, let's get right into it.
So, you know that feeling, right? You build this incredible, slick dashboard, but something's missing. You're staring at the what, but the why is just hiding. It's right there, you can feel it, but you just can't quite get to it. Well, what if I told you there's a better way?
And that's really the core of what we're talking about today. It's this huge shift. You've got the old way, the traditional way, where you're manually grinding through data. It's slow, it's painful, and let's be honest, you miss things. But then you bring in AI. Suddenly, that deep dive is automated, it's fast, and you start pulling out these incredible, deeper insights. It's a total game changer.
To make this super practical, we're going to break this down into what I'm calling your 5 AI superpowers. Think of these as new tools for your Tableau utility belt that will make your work faster, smarter, and way more impactful. So here's the plan. We'll kick things off with the AI that's already baked into Tableau. Then we'll talk about plugging into powerful external tools, leveling up how you ask questions, taking the headache out of data prep, and finally, turning you into a data storyteller.
All right, superpower number 1. This one is literally already waiting for you inside Tableau. It's a feature called Explain Data. Imagine you see a weird spike in sales. Instead of spending the next 3 hours digging for an answer, you just click. The AI instantly analyzes that data point and tells you the most likely reasons why. Seriously, it turns hours of work into a couple of seconds. Next up, this is where things get really interesting. You can connect Tableau to the brainpower of external AI services from places like Google or Amazon. Think about it. You could analyze thousands of customer reviews to see if they're positive or negative. Trying to do that by hand would be impossible. But with an API, you can pull all that sentiment data right into your dashboard. And the craziest part? It's all drag and drop, no code required.
Now this is a brilliant 1-2 punch. Tableau has a feature called Ask Data, where you can just type a question and boom, you get a chart. But here's the pro move. Use something like ChatGPT to help you figure out better questions to ask. Get really precise. Then once Tableau gives you the answer, pop back over to the AI and have it write a slick, professional summary that you can drop right onto your dashboard. It's like having a data analyst and a professional writer on call 24/7.
Okay, let's be real for a second. Data prep. Nobody's favorite part of the job, am I right? It's just tedious. But this is where AI can be a lifesaver. You've got Tableau's data interpreter, which is like a little wizard that magically cleans up your messy spreadsheets. And for the really tough stuff, you can plug in pre-made Python scripts. The best part? You don't have to write them. It's all about using these tools to skip the boring stuff.
And finally, maybe the most important superpower of all. Because a chart is just a chart until you wrap a story around it. Instead of just showing the numbers, GenAI can help you write a powerful, clear headline, something like Q2 growth was driven by a 15% surge in online sales. It can even whip up talking points for your next big presentation. It ensures your message lands with clarity and impact.
You know, this quote just nails it. That's what this is all about. It's not about replacing you. It's about making you more powerful. It's about automating all that tedious, time-consuming work so you can focus on what humans do best: thinking, strategizing, and making decisions.
So you're probably thinking, okay, this sounds amazing, but how do I actually get started? Well, the good news is you can start playing with this stuff right now. No complicated setup, no code.
Here's a simple 3-step plan for you. First, just open one of your own workbooks and find an interesting data point. Click on it and use Explain Data. See what it tells you. Second, go to the Ask Data feature and just type in a simple question. See what happens. And third, next time you write up a report, take your key bullet points, paste them into ChatGPT, and just ask it for a professional summary. It's that easy to get a taste of this power. So once you've dipped your toes in the water, you're going to want to learn how to swim. And that's where structured learning, like the program at Dallas Data Science Academy, comes into play. It's about going from just playing around to truly mastering these skills. And the thing to know about their bootcamp is exactly who it's built for. It's not for computer science PhDs, it's for professionals, people working in marketing, finance, healthcare, who know this technology is the future but don't want to spend years learning to code. It's all about practical, real-world application. And it's built for busy people. The whole thing is a focused 6-week sprint. It's intense, it's fast-paced, and it's designed to give you skills you can use on the job immediately,
without having to put your entire life and career on pause.
So what does that actually look like? Well, first off, you're not just watching lectures, you're building actual projects, creating a portfolio that proves what you can do. You also get one-on-one time with mentors to get expert feedback. And you walk out the door with a powerful credential, an IBM GenAI certificate, that shows everyone you've got the skills. And the proof is in the pudding. People from all kinds of jobs, not just tech backgrounds, are taking these skills and landing roles like data visualization specialist, or they're becoming the go-to person for AI on their current team. It just goes to show you, this isn't some niche skill. It's in demand everywhere.
And that's really the whole philosophy here, and why we like it. There's no fluff, there's no hype. It's just about giving you practical, hands-on skills that make you more valuable in your career from day one.
So, I'll leave you with this question to think about. All the answers you've been looking for, they're probably already sitting in your data. The real challenge and the real opportunity is learning how to use these incredible new tools to finally ask the right questions. If you're ready to start asking those bigger, better questions and build a career that's at the forefront of this data revolution, you should definitely check them out. You can learn more and get started at DallasDataScienceAcademy.ai. Thanks so much for tuning in.